Hi, and welcome back. In this quick start lesson, you'll learn how to change component properties using overrides. Previously, we covered how to create, reuse, and manage components with built-in hover interactions. However, since all these component instances come from the same main component, they all led us to the same link when clicked. We don't want that. So, how can we customize our component instances to lead us to different places? It all starts with customizing the attached link using ProtoPie's variable feature. Let's go. Let's start with what a variable does. Simply put, a variable stores any data you might want to use later. Being able to modify what's inside a variable can give you more flexibility in dealing with dynamic interactions. Since the URL in an instance can change from one to another, there's a solid reason we can call it a piece of dynamic value. That is exactly where variables come in handy. Go ahead and create a variable in the bottom left of our screen first. Let's call it link. In the property panel, you'll want to change it from number to text. Why? Because URLs are created using text. Now, you may wonder how we can apply different URLs for each instance. Well, a variable in a component provides a more powerful feature, which is called overrides, meaning you can initiate different values for each instance. With the link variable selected, check the box Make Overridable so the initial value of the variable we just created can now be customized. This is now what lets us edit the link in our instances. Now head back to the navigation scene. Click on any component instance, starting with Ask ProtoPie. You'll see that thanks to our previous steps in creating an overridable variable, the section Overrides appear in our component properties. That's exactly where we'll place the correct link. It's time to place the correct links into each component instance. Follow along. With this done, every single instance should now have a unique URL attached to it. Head back to the main component. Our last step is to modify the link response we originally put there. Instead of using a fixed URL, we want to call up what's inside the link variable. Go ahead and change its type from URL to formula. And lastly, add the variable we just created into the formula box. We're all set. Head over to Navigation Scene and let's do one last preview. Click on Ask ProtoPie. Ta-da! We're led to the correct link. Now you're one step closer to becoming a ProtoPie component master. See you in the next one.